Smart AI is here, and all thanks to vector databases. Want to know more? Stay tuned. Hey everyone, welcome back. This is AI Fundamentals by AmericaTech, where we break down complex AI concepts into simple, practical ideas. No buzzwords, no hype, and definitely no math headaches. If you've ever wondered how AI actually understands you, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into one of the most important and least talked about pieces of modern AI, vector databases. And by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what they are, you'll understand why AI would struggle without them. Old school databases worked like this. You type a keyword, the system looks for the exact same keyword. That's great, until humans start talking like humans. Because we don't search with keywords, we search with intent. Look at these. How do I bake a cake? Steps to make a sponge cake. To a human, same thing. To a traditional database, completely different. So how does AI fix this? Vector databases. A vector database doesn't store words, it stores meaning. Think of it like this. Every sentence, image, or document becomes a point on a giant invisible map. Close points equals to similar meaning. Far points equals to unrelated stuff. That's it. That's the secret. This is why AI feels like it gets you. It's not guessing. It's measuring how close your question is to existing knowledge. Here's the big reason AI can't survive without them. AI doesn't think in keywords. It thinks in relationships, meaning to meaning, question to answer, problem to solution. Vector databases are what make that possible at scale. Text, images, documents. AI converts all of it into vectors, numbers that represent meaning and patterns. The database organizes these vectors so similar ones live close together. This is what makes searches insanely fast, even across millions of records. When you ask a question, your question becomes a vector too. The database instantly asks, what's closest to this? The closest matches are sent back to the AI, and the AI generates a response that actually makes sense. This is how systems like RAG work, Retrieval-Augmented Generation. Popular vector databases you'll hear about. Pinecone, built for speed and scale. If an AI app is huge, Pinecone is often behind it. Weaviate, open source, flexible and powerful. Great if you want control and customization. Chroma, lightweight and developer-friendly, perfect for experiments and smaller apps. Imagine uploading 500 company documents into an AI chatbot. You ask, what's our refund policy? The AI doesn't reread everything. Instead, your question becomes a vector. The vector database finds the closest information. The AI answers clearly and confidently. That's vector search in action. And that wraps up episode 3. If there's one takeaway from today, it's this. Vector databases don't make AI smarter. They make it context aware. They're what allow AI systems to understand meaning, connect ideas, and deliver answers that actually feel human. If you found this breakdown helpful, go ahead and like this video. It really helps more people discover the series. Subscribe to the channel for more beginner-friendly AI explanations, and feel free to share this with anyone who's curious about how AI really works. In the next episode, we're stepping into an even more exciting topic, AI agents, what they are, how they work, and why they're changing everything. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in episode 4.